Sealer Plus Shrink Tunnel Machine for PP Rope Bundles. High-speed packing in rope industry. Efficient, safe, and fast shrink packaging for PP rope bundles using the Sealer Plus Shrink Tunnel combo. Ideal for rope manufacturers and industrial packaging lines.
Introducing the Sealer Tunnel Machine, a compact yet powerful shrink packaging solution for PP rope bundles. This unit uses an L-shaped sealing bar to cut and seal centerfold shrink film, creating a neat bag around rope coils. Immediately after sealing, the bundle passes into a shrink tunnel where hot air uniformly shrinks the film tightly around the rope. The result? Dust-proof, moisture-resistant, tamper-evident packaging that enhances product appearance and life cycle. With 8 to 12 bundles per minute, depending on bundle size, it delivers efficient, reliable throughput, ideal for rope manufacturers needing fast, consistent packaging. Maintenance is minimal thanks to digital temperature control, auto cool down, and durable sealing elements like microknife, sealing wire or hot knife bars. Upgrade your packaging line today, faster, cleaner, stronger.
Key benefits for the rope industry: high throughput, packages 8 മുതൽ 12 വരെ PP rope bundles per minute, speeding up packaging lines, compact and integrated. Combined L-bar sealer plus a shrink tunnel saves space and simplifies workflow, reduced power use. Low power design with digital temperature control and auto shut-off for energy efficiency. Versatile film use, compatible with PVC, POF, and polypropylene films commonly used in rope industry packaging. Durable sealing technology. Options like micro sealing wire, sealing ensure clean, strong seals and long machine life. Enhanced protection, produces dust-proof, moisture-resistant, tamper-evident packaging, ideal for rope storage and transport.